Let's start with the very first and most basic lecture, and that is, what is artificial intelligence? Because before we build the smart systems, we need to understand what AI really means, how it works, and why it's becoming such a powerful part of modern technology. So, artificial intelligence, in short, AI, means making a computer program that can think, learn, and make decisions like a human. It does not mean the machine has a brain, but it means we give it the power to solve problems by learning from data. The machine looks at many examples, finds patterns, and uses those patterns to decide what to do next. A simple machine can only do what we tell it. For example, if we press a button on a fan, it turns on or off. It doesn't know if the room is hot or cold, it just follows the button. A simple calculator only gives answers to math problems we type in. It cannot learn or improve on its own. But an AI machine is different. It watches what is happening and then decides what action is best. It learns from past data and changes its behavior over time. For example, if you play songs on your phone, an AI machine can notice what kind of music you like. Next time, it can suggest songs that match your taste without you even asking. It gets smarter every time you use it. So AI is not just about following instruction, it's about learning and thinking before acting. Let's take CVS Health as an example. It is a big pharmacy chain in America. When people go there to buy medicine or ask about health problems, they talk to the workers. But at the same time, AI is working in the background. It checks the person's old records, looks at what sickness is common in that season, and helps choose the best medicine. For example, if it's winter and many people are getting the flu, the AI tells the worker to suggest flu shots or fever medicine. If someone often forgets to take their pills, the AI can send them a message at the right time. It can even check if a person might get sick soon based on their age or what they usually buy. This makes the service faster and better. The human workers focus on helping people while AI quietly gives smart suggestions. This is how CVS Health uses AI to help people stay healthy with better care and less waiting. Let's move on and look at a bigger and more complex example. This time, we will talk about NASA. NASA is the space agency of the United States. It sends rockets, satellites, and robots into space. When NASA plans a space mission, there are many things that can go wrong, like weather problems, small engine errors, or changes in space. That's why NASA uses AI to help them make smart and safe decisions. AI watches thousands of pieces of information at the same time. It checks the speed of the rocket, the direction, the fuel level, and even the weather around Earth and space. If something doesn't look right, AI gives a quick warning. This helps the NASA team fix problems before they become serious. AI also helps robots on Mars. These robots explore the planet without any people. The AI helps the robot decide where to go, how to move around rocks, and when to stop if it's not safe. All this happens without waiting for humans to send every instruction. So AI helps NASA save time, protect equipment, and explore more of space with smart decisions. Now let's understand how Python plays its role in artificial intelligence in a clear and simple way. The process always begins with data. This data can be anything: numbers, text, names, prices, or results. Python is used to read this data from files. Sometimes the data has mistakes or some parts are missing. Python helps fix those problems by going through each row and cleaning the errors. After the data is clean, it must be prepared for learning. That means turning the data into a format the machine can understand. Python is used to organize this step carefully. Once the data is ready, it is sent to the AI model. The model in artificial intelligence can be compared to a student in training. In the beginning, it does not have any understanding. It only receives data, which includes both inputs and correct answers. As it goes through this data, it begins to learn the relationship between the input and the expected outcome. Just as a student studies examples to understand a subject, the model studies data to understand patterns. It makes predictions, checks how close they are to the correct answers, and then adjusts itself to improve. In early stages, the model may produce many wrong results, but with repeated training and feedback, it gradually improves. The more high quality examples it receives, the more accurate its predictions become. Over time, just like a student becomes confident with enough practice, the model becomes capable of making correct decisions on new, unseen data. Python is used to control this learning process. The learning does not happen all at once, it takes many rounds. In each round, Python helps show the data, checks the result, and helps improve the model. If the answers are wrong, we change the rules or give more data, and Python handles those changes too. After some time, the model starts giving better answers. It means the learning is working. At this point, Python is used to test the model with new data to see how well it performs. If the performance is good, we save the model so it can be used again later. Python saves this model as a file. Later, whenever needed, Python opens the saved model and runs it to give smart answers quickly. In every part, reading data, cleaning it, training the machine, testing the results, and saving the model, Python is used to make sure everything works correctly and smoothly. So, this is a simple explanation of what is artificial intelligence, how it works, and how Python supports each part of the process. See you in the next lecture.